So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Meghendra. I'm going to teach you index match formula. So there is a two way to find employee salary with their names. So let's start. The formula here is equal to index, select the reference, comma, match, like I just find out Malik's salary. Then I select range 0 and bracket close. You can see the Malik cell. So this is our first trick, and now the second way to find salary with their employees with the drop downs. Like suppose I want to only search Manish salary, and next few seconds later I just want to find Malik salary also. So I just create a drop down here, go to the view more cell action and click on data validation and add rule and select from data range. Click on this. Here is my data range. Okay, and done. So I just created my ranges. So you have to do one thing is equal to index reference. This is our reference. I already told you, and match. Now in this point you have to just select column where you put drop down. Like I just selected drop down A9. So I just write down A9, comma, range. This is our range, 0 is equal to. So suppose I want to search Aman salary. So here is put Aman salary. Suppose I just want to find Akash salary. Here is my Akash salary. This will help you a lot in your work office in a day-to-day life. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. I'll see you in the next video.